Welcome to Windows Guide. When you try to download files to your computer using the Chrome browser, Chrome creates a temporary file in the Downloads folder named CR Download. If the download process is cancelled or the browser is closed during the downloading process, then the CR Download file remains in the Downloads folder. You cannot open the CR Download file since the file is incomplete. But, you can instruct Google Chrome to download the file again. The procedure is as follows. Open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots at the top right corner to open the menu. Click on Downloads. You will notice the incomplete download. Click on Retry corresponding to it. Now, let the file download completely. In case the download ceases midway this time, you can consider using a different downloading tool.